Question number 36. The sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression is 90. Fourth term of the progression is 3 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Find the first term of the progression and write the progression. In this question, sum of first 6 terms of the AP is given, that is 90. S6 equals 90. Fourth term is 3 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Means fourth term is A4. A4 equals 3 more means plus 3 more than what? Sum of first 2 terms. First 2 terms means A1 plus A2. Given S6 equals 90. Sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 90. Then you write S6 equals 90. Then fourth term A4 is 3 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Means A1 plus A2 plus 3. Here you take Sn formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals 90. N is 6. 6 by 2 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d equals 90. 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 thirties are 2a plus 5d equals 30. Now consider it is first one. Now you take this one A4. A4 equals A1 plus A2 plus 3. A4 is A plus 3D equals A1 is A plus A2 is A plus D plus 3. You can cancel. Transfer this D to the LHS, that is 3D minus D equals A plus 3. 3D minus D is 2D. Transfer this 3 to the LHS, it becomes 2D minus 3 equals A. Consider this is second. Now you write the first one, then you write the value of A there. Write 2A plus 5D equals 30. A equals 2D minus 3. 2 into 2D minus 3 plus 5D equals 30. Here it is from second. Then 2 into 2D, 4D. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 5D equals 30. 4D plus 5D is 9D equals 30. Transfer this 6 plus 6. 9D equals 36. 9D equals 36. D equals 36 by 9. 9 ones are 9 fours are. You got D equals 4. And take A equals 2D minus 3. A equals 2D minus 3. A equals 2 into 4 minus 3 equals 8 minus 3. You got A equals 5. Here A equals 5, D equals 4. You got A equals 5, D equals 4. we have to write the progression. Got the first term A is 5. We have to write the progression. And you write A1 equals A, which is equals to 5. A2 equals A1 plus D equals 5 plus 4, 9. A3 equals A2 plus D equals 9 plus 4, 13. A4 equals A3 plus D equals 13 plus 4 equals 17. Therefore, the progression is progression is 5, 9, 13, 17, so on. 5, 9, 13, 17, so on.